Welcome. Today we're diving into how you can make serious money on Instagram in 2026 using nothing but your phone. Gone are the days when you needed expensive equipment. In 2026, your smartphone is your entire business toolkit, ready to generate income. Instagram is constantly evolving its monetization features. We'll explore the latest ways the platform rewards creators who engage their audience directly from their mobile devices. Our focus is strictly mobile. We'll cover 3 core strategies: niche building, direct sales of products, and high-value brand collaborations. First, success starts with building a targeted, engaged audience. Let's see how to nail your niche. In 2026, niches centered around Gen Z, mobile productivity, and rapid skill acquisition, or quick wins, are highly profitable. Reels and stories are still king. Use in-app editing features, music, and effects to create captivating, high-quality content instantly from your phone. Advanced SEO is crucial. Optimize your captions and even your alt text with relevant keywords so Instagram's algorithm prioritizes your content to the right people. Now, let's explore ways to turn your engagement into immediate revenue directly on your phone. Affiliate marketing is huge. Use the link in bio feature strategically, but also utilize any in-app shopping links or tag features Instagram provides for seamless purchasing. Selling digital products like ebooks or templates can be managed entirely from your phone, from creation to sales via mobile payment links. Monetize your expertise by offering mobile-based services like coaching or consultations. Instagram Live and DMs are perfect for scheduling and delivery. Brand deals are the next level of monetization. Here's how to secure them using just your smartphone. Research brands on Instagram itself. Send professional, personalized pitches directly via email or DMs, showcasing your engagement stats easily accessed on the mobile app. Even on a phone, quality matters. Use good lighting, clean edits, and crystal clear audio to make sure your sponsored content is visually stunning and effective. Understand your audience's value. Don't be afraid to negotiate for fair compensation, even managing contracts and payments through mobile business apps. We've covered the complete roadmap to financial success on Instagram in 2026, all from the palm of your hand. Remember, focus on your niche, utilize advanced mobile content creation, and diversify your income through direct sales and strategic brand collaborations. Finally, stay consistent and be ready to adapt to Instagram's changes. That's the secret to long-term mobile monetization success in 2026.